Introducing Yvetta, a standout pigeon currently listed at €11,000 in the auction, proudly offered by OM Berkeloft from the UAE. Yvetta was bred by Nechelput Kristof, Cornet, and this incredible pigeon is a proven top racer with a track record that speaks for itself. Yvetta is the winner of first place in Noyon against 5,245 birds, and again took first place in Noyon out of 3,654 birds. Yvetta comes from a winning bloodline. Her father is the son of Ernest, who is a second national ace short distance 2020 and a proven breeder. Ernest is also the full brother to Ernesta, the first provincial ace bird short distance KBDB in 2023, and co-winner of the second national championship for short distance old birds and yearlings in 2022. Ernest's line boasts an impressive 6x first prize wins. On the maternal side, Yvetta's mother is Yvette, a top breeding hen for Nechelput, Cornet, responsible for producing champions. Yvetta herself has impressive wins, including first place Noyon, 5,245 birds. First place Noyon, 3,654 birds. Third place Noyon, 2,395 birds. Yvette's other offspring, nest brother Yvetta, is a multiple prize winner, securing first provincial ace bird short distance old birds KBDB 2020, second national ace bird in 2020, and 8x first prize wins in the last 13 races. Ernest, Yvette's father, also contributes to her remarkable bloodline, being the grandfather to winners of first prize against 5,245 birds, first prize against 3,654 birds, and first prize against 1,408 birds. Don't miss the chance to acquire this exceptional pigeon, Yvetta, whose winning heritage is destined for further success. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible pigeon, Yvetta, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting racing pigeon content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. Stay tuned for more top pigeons and auction updates.